everyone. Today I'll have my granddaughters make popping boba.
One more try. You have the right words. You just need the confidence.
Hi everyone. Today I'll have my granddaughters make popping boba. So what all goes into the popping boba? First we'll need some type of juice or Kool-Aid. So we have three different kinds. We have the white cran peach, and we have the blue raspberry lemonade, and we have the grape. Then for the scientific part of it, we will need the calcium lactate and the sodium alginate and the sodium citrate. So let's begin. So here are the granddaughters to do the popping boba. Here is Penelope. Hi. And here is Anara.
Hi.
So let's begin.
First, let's start with, which juice do you guys want to start with? Ooh, okay. We will go right to left then. Okay, so we'll start with the Kool-Aid.
Alright.
We're going to need 200 milliliters.
200?
Yeah, see right here where it says 200?
Oh,
okay, we're going to get 200 milliliters.
oh, yay!
We're going to start with 200 milliliters of the blue raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid.
So it's blue raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid?
Yeah.
That makes no sense.
Oh, it makes so much sense. And so for each one of these, we're going to be adding our sodium alginate. For 200 milliliters, we will add, a half of a teaspoon.
It's really Dada.
Yeah, I know. We'll add half of a teaspoon. And since this contains some calcium in the Kool-Aid, we will also add a pinch of the sodium citrate as well. All right, so go ahead and pour that in there.
I want to go last.
Okay. Good job. Okay. Now we're going to transfer this into our blender. Okay, go ahead and pour that in.
When it's loud, can I
pour it all in?
pop down when it starts?
Yeah.
So you don't stir that.
Well, that's what the blending's for. Now choose one of the cups to pour it in.
I want pink.
Okay, so we'll do blue for the blue. Okay, so grab the blue, Penelope.
Yes.
The technique we're going to be doing today is called reverse spherification.
Say that five times fast.
All right. Oh, no, we're going to be eating these at the end.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's just so cute.
How do you eat liquid?
I know.
For any drinks that contain calcium, you will offset that with the sodium citrate. For a 20% daily value of calcium, you can use a half teaspoon of sodium citrate. So for this, we're going to be using about 1/8 of a teaspoon for this Kool-Aid. You have one more blend.
It looks like a milkshake or a slushie.
Yeah, a little bit.
Slush, yeah. More like a slushie than a milkshake.
Yeah, it's a little thick.
Slides like a milkshake.
This will be set into the fridge for an hour to chill to help it become a little bit more liquidy and get rid of any bubbles. So now, Anara, we're going to can you pour 200 milliliters?
What did I did not pour?
Yeah, we want to go straight to the 200.
I
You can pour the last one. I poured one, you poured one, she'll pour one. Just go and keep pouring, keep pouring, keep pouring. Go, go, go. And there you go. Good job. We will add our half teaspoon of the sodium alginate. Go ahead and pour that in. Good job. And can you pour it into here, please? All of it. Good job. Okay, so come over here and reach around and hit the side that says pulse.
Okay, and then I hold it.
Yep. Hit it one more time. Okay. The grape juice does not need the sodium citrate since it doesn't have calcium in it. And we will just be adding the sodium alginate and then refrigerating this one for an hour. You ready? All right. Okay, Penelope, we're going to need 200 milliliters of this one too. Okay, so we got to get to that 200 line. You see it? Okay. This one's a little full. I'll help you start it, and then you can pour it, okay? Keep going, keep going. A little bit more, and good, right there.
Good job.
Good job. Now we're gonna add our half teaspoon of sodium alginate. Are you ready? Or done? Okay, go ahead and pour that in. You got it? Oh wow, aggressive. Okay, pour it into the blender. Where'd she go? Oh, you're over here. Wow. Like magic. Okay, you ready? Hit the pulse button. Yep. Alrighty. Okay, can you pour that in there? Fantastic. And that will also be put into the fridge for an hour. So now we're going to start the process of making the popping boba. So we have our drinks that we had chilled in the fridge. This one looks pretty good. This one we added a little bit too much sodium alginate to. So that guy's pretty set. We have a backup here. Yeah, and then this one, it looks like it also might have got a little too much sodium alginate. But we will try. And we're going to start. Which one do you guys want to start with?
Pink.
Okay, grape it is.
I was just going to say, that's the way it should be.
Alright, so we're going to suck up from the bottom.
You watching so you know what to do?
Yeah. I don't even know what to do.
Okay, but not everybody does. So it's time to teach.
Yeah, the audience don't know.
Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to slowly drop it into the water, and it's going to make little pearls. So I'm going to do this one. We'll let Penelope do the blue one. Ara do the pink one. Okay? And if you grab those spoons in Ara,
Yeah.
we can make a couple of the bigger ones too. Okay, what you're going to do, Penelope, is you're going to dunk it in the water real quick. So take this. We're going to go into the water. Okay? And then I'm going to fill it up. Okay, now you're going to dunk it in the water and swirl it. Okay? I'm going to do another one. Okay, go down. Go down. Now shake. Good job. Okay, Nora.
Ow, you're hurting my hand.
Sorry. Okay, so dunk it in the water. Get some water on there. Okay, now pour out the water. Okay, now we're going to fill it up. This will help spherify it inside of there without sticking. Now dunk it in and shake it. Okay. We're going to fill it up. We dip it in and then shake it. Good job.
You guys are fast learners.
Okay, dunk. Ready? Next one, dunk.
Okay, let's see what it's going to do now.
Let me show you what we're going to pull them up. We should see some bobas in there. Can you see them?
Can you show the camera?
Got some small ones.
Okay.
We'll wash them.
You made little pebbles.
Okay, are you ready, Penelope?
Come on.
Okay, so stick it in here and let's suck it up. So stick it in, okay? So you want to suck it up? So pull that back.
Pull it up.
Yep, pull up, up. Okay, and good. Okay, right there. Okay, let's go ahead and... Okay. Yep, okay, ready? Go ahead and slowly dip it in, and then shake it off. Okay, well you can squeeze this gently if you want. Okay? So, yep, we want little drops like that. Well, you gotta push it down, okay? There you go.
You're making little pebbles, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. Okay, squeeze. Pull up. Okay. Well, we're gonna try out the last one here. Pull.
Oh, it's clear.
Okay, and then we're gonna have Penelope squeeze some in as well. Okay.
Why?
Okay. Because she needs to be doing something too. Oh, hold on. Let's fill up in our spoon again. Okay. Do you want to squeeze some in our?
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay. She wants to do a spoon. Okay.
This is kind of like a science experiment, but you get to Taste it, eat it, yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah, it's a taste
All
test.
right, now these ones turned out a lot better.
Oh, wow. They're like
Oh,
Obies.
yeah.
They're like,
So the clear water just washes off all of that calcium stuff?
Yeah, so that they don't keep curing. Okay, shake it in there.
these ones.
Okay, you ready? Let's put those ones in here.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Now we got some good ones.
It looks like Orbeez.
Mhm.
No.
Scoop up some of these.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
It's shiny. Because red is,
Another one of the pink straw.
She wants a blue, right? No. She wants a blue.
Blue.
Yes, she wants blue.
To go with the blue drink, right?
Go ahead and give a taste. See what you guys think. Are they popping?
I can't find the boba. Yep, they're popping. Mmm, that's good.
Does it like explode in your mouth?
Yep.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? And a heart. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for making these, girls. My grand girls.
Yeah. Okay, sphere.
And it pops into juice.
Awesome. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.